even when it comes to news sources that we are picking up after the results, if they are in favor of the BJP, because the Saffron Party seems to be already preparing itself for a grand celebration. The grand road show that we are told can be held from Lok Kanyak Marg to the BJP office with around 1 lakh people. The final decision, of course, will be taken by the party high command, but all of these options, we are told, is being discussed. We have Pragya and Mohit both joining us live right now. Good morning to both of you. Pragya, it seems that the BJP is already going into a pre-celebratory mode, discussing, especially when it comes to tomorrow, if victory goes in their favor.
Absolutely, and BJP is very sure that they're going to get mandate for the third time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be Prime Minister again, and there will be swearing-in ceremony soon. But for that, party also is preparing in a grand way. There is the decision. The sources have told us that decision is likely to be taken very soon, but it is not final yet. But there is a roadshow that has been planned from 7 Lok Kanyak Marg to BJP headquarters. Obviously, for an incumbent government coming back with more numbers and with such a brute majority, it is a celebration, and also it's a way of telling people that you have faith in us, and look what we have done. We have come back and we have a vision for the country as well. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be greeted by the cadre. There will be roadshow that is being planned, but this decision is not final yet. The final decision for the roadshow will be taken later. The finality of it will be knowing in sometime soon as to how long will this roadshow be, because they also need to see whether the common people will not be inconvenienced because of that. But the kind of celebration that BJP right now is planning is 1 lakh karyakartas that should be on the road, greeting, cheering for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it's obviously a huge victory for BJP, and also a message across to everyone that people have reposed faith in Modi government for the third time.
Right, but Pragya, is it the plan being discussed only for Delhi or nationwide? Because exit polls so far have been giving a favorable picture for the BJP, but everyone has to rather wait till the time all these hours pass by and the final and the real results are out. So is it just the plan just for Delhi, or other locations as well are being discussed?
Well, Amita, this is just for the BJP, for the Delhi right now. But as we had seen earlier, also every time there are pro-BJP results, there had been celebrations that are done by the state leadership as well. So we should be, we should know that obviously these state units will be celebrating in their way, in their own way, with drums, with with sweets and all. And also there are two of the assembly elections, and Arunachal also has been won by BJP. So celebration is kind of doubling up in that states as well. We'll see the results for Odisha as well. But BJP is, saying that they could, in fact, form the government in Odisha. So there is it's a double whammy for BJP in Odisha as well if they do well in Lok Sabha as well as in assembly elections. But we are given to understand that every state unit will celebrate the results that will be coming up on June 4th in their own way. Preparations are being made by the state chiefs as well, and in consultation with the central leadership, and they'll celebrate it in their own way.
Right, Pragya, information also coming in of a grand road show for the Prime Minister. If I remember correctly, back in 2019 when the election results were announced, it was also a day that rained in Delhi in the evening while Prime Minister Modi made his way as a victory celebration at the BJP headquarters. Of course, we don't know if the rain gods will be favoring Delhi or any parts of the country as of now, looking at the heat wave. But I believe that is the kind of a roadshow that is also being planned. Pragya?
Yeah, so what is in the discussion right now is the roadshow, and we are given to understand that roadshow's distance would be from Prime Minister residence at 7 LKM to BJP headquarters at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg. But given the fact that there is so much of heat wave, and also the weather is hot right now, but we are given also to understand that the celebration mode, this heat wave cannot dampen, and that is what the BJP cadre is feeling right now. They're already elated given the fact that there are exit poll coming in their favor. So despite this heat wave, I think the decision has been put on hold because of the weather conditions as well.
Right.
But the finality will come very soon. And
all right, expected when this final decision or confirmation rather, but everyone, I guess, will wait till the time the numbers start to come in, and it is for sure that one party is winning. And is it the BJP or the NDA, or is it from the opposition? Please to stay on with us. We